So when I decided to start making herbal oils for massage therapy, how do you start, right? You go on the internet and you look up recipes. And for free, I got a bunch of great recipes to make herbal infusions in oil. And I don't know, it took a really long time and I wasn't getting the results that I wanted. So I went ahead and enrolled in a class, paid for it, and got schooled by someone who knew what they were doing. And let me show you the results. So that is my carrier oil, the beginning oil before it is infused with anything. This is the infusion of calendula that took 2 months from a recipe I got for free on the internet. And that is a calendula infusion using the same oil. It took 72 hours and from the recipe that I was taught by a professional. It's worth the money to invest in a mentor. Don't spin your wheels trying to reinvent the wheel. Someone out there may have already figured this out, and why don't you get them on your team? So thanks, Cammie McBride. You've saved me a lot of time.